Alright, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. It's your boy Crypto Calls. Okay, let me make a quick tutorial on how to sell your USDT, or if you want to sell your USDT straight to your bank account. As we all know, the federal government have forced the Binance to remove P2P on the Nigerian market, right? Our crypto market rather. So this is how you can sell your USDT to your Nigerian into your Nigerian account. Okay, you first of all send the money to your USDT using either TRC20 or BEP20 or any network of your choice, even ERC20. Then you go to NGN, search for NGN, then go to USDT paired with NGN. Then you have to sell your USDT to Naira. Sell. Okay, just follow me carefully. Okay, now this is how you sell it. You now go to wallet. Yeah, now so you can see I'm selling $186 for 299,000. This is roughly 300k. I think the rate right now is 1,507 naira per dollar. So let's sell. Now you click on it, click on withdraw, wait for it to load. Yeah, you see, you click on continue, yeah. Okay, receive amount, add new account. Now you have to put your bank account, yeah, account name, select bank. My bank is Access, yeah. Sorry, Access Bank. Account number, I have to put my 002825. Yeah, then confirm. I'm selling everything 299 whatever 299/950. Okay, continue, confirm. You have to wait for the seller to credit you before you release. Okay, sure you're following, right? We have to wait for the seller to credit us. Sorry, the video is going to be a little bit long, but this is how we bypass normal P2P. Understand? So that's how we run it. Your government think they are wise. Let's pause the video so it doesn't get too long and wait for them to credit us. All right, I think the person has paid, but then I need to receive my money first before I release anything. Make sure you receive alert. Money no even did that account. I think I have about 30 something K in that account. Let me see. Okay, I see. Make sure you receive alert before you release any money. Oh, Access Bank don't start with their mumu again. How person wan take know whether money don enter the account now? Let's try again. Please make sure you receive alert before you release any coin. Money has not come. See what's in the account to 28k. Okay, I think the person has paid. Okay, yeah, this is it. The person has paid. Let's check. Confirm in your bank app too. Very important, so they no go send you fake alert. So you need to confirm with your bank app. Okay, you have sent it, so you can now release the coin to the person. You can release the coin to them. So you click on payment received, click on I have received, and confirm. Release their coin to them. Once you don't see your money, please release their coin. Put in your passcode, and that's that about that. Release their coin. So thank you.